Some say cash money, ching ching, makes the world go round. Others say cash is king. Business people will tell you that cash is the heartbeat and oxygen of the business. What is money to you? Sharon Chirwa is my name, and I welcome you all back to the program, The One. As always, I'm with my co-host,
Rebecca Kadzaeka. Chitsogolo tu basi. Nkhani yake ndikuonetsetsa kuti kuphunzira ndi kuwina zikuyendera limodzi ngati diso ndi chikope. Khala ndipompa chifukwa bwana Joe akhala akulowa m'bwalomo. Komanso chakumapetopeto kwa programu iyi, Cash Your Box ikhala ilipo mpano. Tate ndikhalepo.
Kumbukirani kuti ife NICO Life timakhala nanu pamene mwagweredwa zovuta kudzera mu Tili Nanu Funeral Plan. Gwiritsani ntchito foni yanu ya m'manja ndi kuyimba *325# kuti mugule polisi imeneyi. Pajatu sifunanso khobiri lambiri ayi. Kuyambira ndi 800 kwacha yokha mukonza kuzalandira 1 million kwacha pa nthawi ya zovuta. NICO ndizotheka.
Madam, I need your help.
I would love to help, really.
I suggest that you just meet the workers' demands. Otherwise, you're just making all of us look bad.
Oh, yeah.
Someone is feeding the media about us.
The enemy is within. I hope you know that.
All we need right now is a solution to this seeding issue as quickly as possible.
Never been able to do that.
Contact and dialogue. Yes, Chair. Yes, I was wondering if we can meet tomorrow in the morning at 9 o'clock. Yes, please bring one representative. All right. Thank you. I hope this works.
I hope so too. I hope so too.
No, hey, we want to know why you remove travel allowances of all benefits.
Komanso tamvori mufuna mujotse anthu.
Ino
mutori chiyambire company palibe ana josedwa konchiro?
No.
Pepani, mungandoro ndiyankhuleko. You need to understand, kuti management came up with these decisions for the betterment of the company.
Betterment iloza allowance?
Mwachidule mai, ngati mufuna strike ite, mubwezere zonse mwachotsazo.
We have him right where we wanted.
You know, I say, Magaya, you know that. My dog will go with us, and we know the world.
I said, and I'm much
To fire to woman didn't know. Aisha
musana daule. Aisha kuziwa zodi ndine tukukumana. Pachatu work as a team.
Okay, Chabi.
You know, as leaders, tumalizia ngana patali. No kama kudziwa kunolomu kunoti company no tukambira sokwana kuyukonza kwambira pachiyambi.
Koma ukonza kwa Yesu mukachose zinthu zofunikira ngati zimenezo Mr. Namitano.
Temporary. Mawa amene mukwenda kugira inu ndi amenewo. Temporary. Mukudziwa mukusana. Tukwenda tipange use every kwacha that we get. Inchonge kuti panga avoid milandu imene mabwera kamba kosalipia misonkho kapena pension. Mukuri banja venevo. Now I understand. This is really nice. This is really nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Mukachipita komati akamatuluka nkhani zikulu mokuti poyamba paja sitimazimvetsetsa yayi kwa panopo ine ndi anzangawa mokuyimilirani inuyo nkhaniyo tayimvetsetsa ndiye pachifukwa chimenecho basi this strike is over. Let's go back to work.
Timverani. Tose tikudziwa kuti things haven't been going smoothly pakampani pano. Koma mabwana athu akuyesetsa kuti akonze zimenezi.
Akunyemerani tu.
Ifeyo anapita adiyankhulewokha.
Obviously. Akwena adiyankhule. It doesn't make sense.
Akuyewokha adiyankhule pene sili kuyimva. Ndipo
Akwena abange kugenda nake adiyankhule.
Nkhani itafika pofuta ndinayitanitsa msonkhano pogwiritsa ntchito solution ya NICO Technologies yotchedwa Microsoft 365. Pa msonkhanowu ndidafotokoza za mmene chuma chatikulu chikuyendera.
Amayi ndi abambo, ngakhale zinthu sizili bwino koma tonse salayeta kulandira bwino. Nkhani yokhuza ndi retrenchment isakudwalitseni mutu iyayi. Chifukwa pano tayamba kulipira tsopano nkhani zokhuza ndi pension ku NICO. Ntolinga chakuti inu mukadzasiya ntchito mudzakhala ndi poyambira. Ndofuna ndikupempheni punoti chonde tiyeni tipirire kukakanthawi kochepa komanso tiyeni tibwerere ku ntchito. Tikalongosola nkhani zokhuza ndi malawasi zizabwerera zonse mchimake. Zikomo kwambiri.
That went well.
Abwana Joe agada bizike. Now imagine putting money, banking, and caring under one roof with you as the customer at the center of it all. We are talking about the Caring Bank. And today we're talking to the Chief Executive Officer of NBS Bank, Mr. Kwanele Ngwenya, who's going to take time to share insight on what caring and money and banking could mean for you. Welcome to the program, Mr. Ngwenya.
Thank you very much.
It's such a pleasure to have you here, but for people watching and listening to the program today might think the relationship between NICO and NBS is quite new. Would you please unpack this relationship? What exactly is happening between the two entities?
Now, thank you, Sharon, for that question. The relationship is quite old. In fact, we are, as NBS Bank, owned 50% by NICO Holdings, which is part of the NICO group of companies. So as such, our relationship is very, very old. As you would know that NBS is a financial institution looking into banking matters, and we are a full-fledged financial institution that offers a range of products in the financial service market, ranging from the small medium enterprise, individual, which is the consumer market, corporates, and public sector. And our relationship within the group is a very important one. In fact, it's the most exciting one because we are because of working together as a group, collaborating in product and services that we'll be offering in the market. The bank has gone through a bit of a rough time over the past years. I'm so happy that now we're sitting here with a very strong, growing bank, and we're very so thankful to our customers and the group in terms of synergies. Our synergy relationship is in such a way that when you look at NBS Bank outlets, or should I say service centers, you walk in there, you would find some products that you would normally find in NICO Life or NICO General, like your funeral cover, which is mostly offered by NICO Life, and insurance product, which is normally offered by NICO General. So that demonstrates our financial service supermarket model as far as the group is concerned. So this relationship that we have is not only a shareholding only, but also on our ways of working together to service our customers.
Now, putting banking and caring in one loaded promise for the customer seems quite a mammoth task. Tell us, how is the bank faring in actually living to this promise?
Well, Sharon, whatever we do as a bank, the first thought in our mind is what would this mean to our customer? So as such, whatever development we do it for the benefit of the customer. So yes, it's a loaded statement, it's a loaded promise, but indeed it's a promise that we have constantly strive to live or by. So as such, it hasn't been much of a challenge. We have all structures in the bank that looks into achieving that goal, which basically looks at the front line in terms of our customers. It looks at our service centers as far as servicing our customer in front line. It looks at our customer experience team that most probably see to it that the customer experience is that what we're pronouncing every day. So with those kind of structures being in place, we believe that our customers are well taken care of. But obviously, we continuously improve on our service. As such, really, the feedback that we continuously get from our customers is what we try and develop in most cases.
We've been following with great interest the Easy Bank campaign. This is what you're calling the Reloaded 2.0 of easy banking. Briefly unpack what this campaign is all about and what value it adds for the customer.
Oh, thank you very much for that question. We constantly look for ways of reaching the customers and creating what we call a last mile easy way of doing business. We're giving the customer the opportunity to do their own banking in the comfort of their own environment. As such, the Reloaded Easy Reloaded 2.0 is addressing that. You will recall that we had Easy Bank, which is online and mobile banking and all other digital related transactions over the years. But the Reloaded one talks to the new features and benefits that we have put in place. Like, you can do banking in 24/7 using our ATMs where they take deposit any time of the day, be it at night. And also it's an issue also to do with that address the COVID-related issues where customers can tap and go, what they call near field communication, where you don't have to touch the ATM. You can just get your card closer to the ATM and then you can do a transaction on the back of that. That is all to do with digitalization and coming up with what you call omni-distribution channel that looks at customers being able to do their banking in the comfort of their own environment.
NBS Bank has been known for financing monumental projects such as the Area 18 interchange. Briefly tell us more about the bank's unique approach to project financing.
Well, talk about Area 18 as a project, as the first project that we can give as an example of innovative way of financing new projects. I think Area 18 development and highway is the most exciting, innovative financing project that we have taken for the simple reason that we as NBS Bank, being a local bank, we are very excited to be part of development of the economy of this country. As such, coming up with financing a project as big as the Area 18 project, which is an interchange, the first of its kind in Malawi, was a very great excitement for us. So if I can just give you the background of this project, Roads Funds Authority issued what they call a request for funding, looking at that project, and we were approached. All banks were participated on that, and I must be thankful that we managed to come first and won the tender to finance that project. And since then, you've seen what has come out of Area 18 as a major landmark project in Malawi. And for us, it's very exciting because we are truly a Malawian bank that focuses on developing infrastructure for our economy, for our nation. Things that we see in the international community happening, we must bring them home. So we think globally and bring them locally so that at least they can benefit what we're seeing on TV, what we're seeing when we travel as far as infrastructure development is concerned. Thank you.
Going forward, what should current and potential customers expect from the caring bank, NBS Bank?
Thank you very much. We constantly invest on research and development as a bank. In other words, we talk to our customers to make sure that our customers give us feedback in what we're doing. And I recall at the beginning I said that whatever we do, we think of our customers. We put our customer in the center of our thinking. As such, whatever feedback they get, remember customers, they travel, they experience other things in other markets. As they come back, they want to see and experience similar product. So that kind of feedback, two-way feedback between ourselves and customers is very important. So the expectations or what they should be looking forward is more refined, more easy way of doing business or doing banking in the NBS Bank, more comfortable, maybe the ability to do banking in the comfort of their own environment. You recall in our days when we were growing up when we were young, our parents would get up in the morning and run to the bank before the bank closed. Now we're saying that you have bank in the palm of your hands. You can do it anytime, anywhere, at any place.
Do you have anything more you may wish to share?
No, I just want to thank our customers for believing in us. Over the years, we have gone through a very rough patch, a rough, difficult time. But I'm so excited that our customers believed in us. And as such, we are here. So I'm very thankful to our customers for the support. They stood with us, they supported us, they understood being that is a local product, it needs to be supported by the locals. So I'm very thankful for that. And over and above that, I want to thank our staff members, because behind all the success of the products and services that we have developed, our staff members have been very, very critical in making sure that we deliver as our promise to our customers. So I'm very, very thankful to our employees and indeed to our shareholders for believing in this institution. And so far, it's been going great, and we're very excited about what has happened so far. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ngwenya, for caring and sharing great insights about NBS Bank.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That was Mr. Kwanele Ngwenya, the Chief Executive Officer of NBS Bank, a subsidiary of the NICO Group. Do stay tuned.
How do you spell easy? Easy? Easy. Easy is when you dial *322# to do all your banking. Easy is when you can withdraw or deposit cash on an ATM. Easy is when you don't need a card to withdraw cash on an ATM. Easy is when you can bank seamlessly at the convenience of your phone, tablet, or laptop at home, office, or even in your car. Ta, ta, ta. Now that's how you spell easy. Bank Easy, the new Easy Bank Reloaded 2.0. NBS Bank, your caring bank.
Cash, and more cash. Rebecca, I can't wait to see today's winner.
Mwayo nzama wafugula ndi manja kasu lilipo tikutero tikuti kuniko kuli mwayo nzama anthu akufugula ndi manja ndithu kasu lilipo nkhani yake sinayi ndi cash or box tikutero yafikaso nthawi jemeti masewera game imene akasewera game imene samachoka chimanja manja amachoka ndikena kake yetu ena ufusa kuti game imene ndi nditi iyayi iniyo msadabwe game imene ndiyeme iniyo momwe mwakhalapo mukangotumiza message SMS ku 0991 323 323 kutuza dzina lanu ndi komwe muli mukatero basi mulowa nawo m'maere sabata imeneyo tikumanena kuti message imodzi yokha basi komanso mukatitumizira dziwani kuti message imeja yafika osati ulifusa iyayi simukundiyankha yafika chani iyayi ikumakhala kuti imeja yafika kungodikira kuti mulowe m'maere tisachedwe chifukwa pano amene atasewera game imeneyi ndi Dickson Mbweza akulilongwe amene wandikhulupira kuti adikirira nthawi yayitali kuti asewere game imene ndetete ndikhalepo mputione kuti kodi Dickson abetsa sabetsa nde ndikhala ndikuwayimbirapo mpano.
Hello, madam.
Mwaswera bwanji? ndaswera ndikuyankhula ndi Dickson Mbweza.
Dickson Mbweza kuno kulilongwe.
takulandirani program ino ya The One kuti musere nawo game ya Sabata ino. Mwakonzeka?
Ndakonzeka madam.
Chabwino, Dickson game imene maendera ndi cash komanso ndi box. Mu box muli mphoto zosiyana-siyana.
Chabwino.
Ndeniyo mukasankha box ine ndizonjezera mulingo wa ndalama kufikira pamene ntatherepo.
Chabwino.
Tiyambepo eti?
Tiyambe.
Chabwino. 5,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
50,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
60,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
Koma ndiye mungoti box. Pepani tinangoyamba program sindinafunse kuti mmatani. Mwati kulilongwe mmatani?
Amagwira ntchito ku shop ya ku Kwanele kuno.
Kuchani?
Ku Kwanele ku area 49.
Ku Kwanele ku area 49. Mumagwira ntchito ya mushopu. Chabwino. Ndiye ndikuti apa pali 100,000 kwacha ndi box ni musankha chani?
Box madam.
115,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
Dickson. Ndalama izi za box ndanoti muli mphoto zosiyana-siyana ndiye munthu mangoti box. Box osaziwa kuti box muli chani. Chabwino, 130,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
140,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
150,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
Pepani maduka 150,000 kwacha ndi box musankha chani?
Box madam.
Chabwino Dickson poti mwakakamira box tione kuti box muli chani. Ndiye poti muli kutali ine nditola pepala. Mwandimvetsetse? Nditola kamodzi kamapepala mwa mapepala ambiri omwe ali m'box mu. Chabwino. Ndiye timakutchumula kaye kuti ndisangofikira kutola mwina pepala omwe linali pamwamba mungazane kuti ayi anakatola linalo. Ndikuduka ndatola pepala Pepala limene ndatola. Ndikuzeni zimene mwapata? Ndisanene eti? Chabwino. Iniyo mwapata shopping voucher ya 150,000 kwacha.
Chabwino.
Mwaidziwa shopping voucher? Ndeniyo mwapata shopping voucher ya 150,000 kwacha tikhala tikuyimbirani kukutumizirani shopping voucher imeneyi.
Mwitumizira pa phone?
Isi tutumiza pa phone. Shopping voucher ndi pepala lomwe limakulolani iniyo kuti mukagule zinthu zosiyana-siyana m'mashopu osiyana-siyana.
Chabwino.
Ndikhulupirira kuti mwayidziwa ngati simunayimvetsetse tikamakuyimbirani fonimo tikufotokozani kuti shopping voucher ndi chani koma ndi pepala limene makulolezani mwina muthopita kusana kaya ku Chipiku kaya ku Shoprite kaya ku Game kukagula zinthu zakumtima kwanu zokwana 150,000 kwacha.
Chabwino.
Ndithu Dickson.
Kwambiri.
Ndathokoza mukhale ndi tsiku lopambana. Zikomo kwambiri. Ndi mmene zakhalira mu program ino ya Cash or Box kwa taona Dickson akukana 150,000 kwacha koma titatola pepala m'box mu imene wanakakamira mwapezekaso shopping voucher ya 150,000 kwacha pamene kuti nganene kuti sanabetseti ndi mmene tizichitira Sabata iliyonse mu program ino ya Cash or Box.
Do remember we've introduced a new segment on the program called Extra Time. That is for you people out there that are following us on our social media sites. So if you're not there yet, click that follow button on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and you might find yourself right here playing Cash or Box with Rebecca. We're back again next week with Cash or Box and so many more exciting things, so you don't want to miss that.
Nthawi yake ndiomwe ija, malo ake ndiomwe anga. Zakhalani pomposo Sabata yamawa tikubwetsera program ina ya The One.
My name is Sharon Chirwa, as always, with my co-host
Rebecca Kadzayeka.
And from the One team, see you next week.